I don't know. It's recording, by the way.
Okay.
The red button?
This is Hike with Mike here, and we're on another adventure, heading down to Hidden Valley, see what cool things we find out on the trail today, because it's all good medicine. Well, Eagle Eye Bry, he's living up to his name, his trail name. He found a new cave for us. Well, we're going to check it out if I don't fall. Oh, wow, you can feel the temperature difference already, too.
Gotta go somewhere.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, yeah, this definitely... I'll go in a little bit and see if it goes in any further. So let me turn this off and I'll go. Here comes Campfire Steve entering this new cave we found. It's pretty difficult getting in there, isn't it?
It's like being born again. And not in the religious way.
All right.
Hey,
we found there's
first cave I've ever discovered.
Eagle Eye
Much
Brian.
to my amazement, I went into it.
Yeah, that is surprising.
You gotta get a shot of
The boulder? Yeah.
my autofocus to work in this.
And we got some bats flying around too.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some loose stuff on the side.
Yeah, this one's a rocky cave for sure. But yeah, it's a big old boulder up there. Oh, I see a bat. He's up there.
Where?
Right up there.
He's landed?
Yeah, he's up in the corner there. It's really cool.
Too bad.
You see him?
Uh-huh. Oh, see if you can get a picture here. Let me see if I can get a picture. Yeah, get a picture of him.
Yeah. Brown bats.
If I can get that camera now. Oh, gee. I don't know how to run this thing.
The video isn't going to do the justice for this vista that I see. We're on top of a cliff looking out over Hidden Valley, which is just an amazing place. It looks more like, I've said this before, like out west, like the Badlands or something like that. It's really cool. Very unique place. I'm digging it. Dang, I tell you what, that Eagle Eye, now he's like a hound dog. It's like he has a scent of something new to see. We are in just a hedgerow of vines. But if there's a bustle in the hedgerow, don't be alarmed, because it's just a sprinkling for the May Queen. Oh man. Whew. What do we have here? A big old drop? What the devil? What the heck is it? It is like a big... There's water down there. I see cattails. You see the cattails over there? Huh. That's another interesting find. It's some big grass to go through though. Alright. Coming up to another area where there was a large described burn. You can see in the distance all the charred pine trees, and the ground, except for the trail, is nothing but black soot. This is the El Dorado Trail. It's a horse trail. Horse trails are nice, but they're usually sandy, so it's really a workout when you hike. And you gotta look out for dookie all the time too. And we're back to the quarry. It's always cool to come here. It's just such a unique feature. An Eagle Eye Bry. He looks like a English shepherd or a Scottish shepherd going up the hills of Scotland.
There's my sheep ladies.
This is what we call Quarry Knob. Yeah. Yeah.